we're done with our product testimony part. Let's move on to career testimony. Why? Because there are some people, when they found out about Courier Placenta, they saw a very, very huge opportunity. Like today, our topic is what? Opportunity, one opportunity, countless stories. These people also have their own stories to tell. And when they saw Railway International, they grabbed this opportunity and they maximized this opportunity. Like, let me give you an example. The first person that I'd like to invite share her career testimony. This person, before Railway International, she is a electrical engineer, okay? So if you ask me, she has a very, very bright future even before Railway International. She already has a very, very good career before she joined Railway International. But the thing is, let us ask ourselves, how come a person with a good future, when she saw an opportunity like this, when she saw Railway, why did she grab Railway International? Why did she grab this kind of opportunity? Now, it made me wonder that time also when I found out about her background. That's why whenever I listen to her story, it would always make me interested. Why did this person persist so much in a company like Railway International? And whenever I hear her story, I also would want other people to listen to her story as well. Why? Because I believe a story like this is very, very inspiring. So the other day, we called her and asked her to go up on stage. And the thing is, when she brought us one big news about her family, if you ask me, she has one of the biggest reasons to reject our invitation to go up stage and share to you guys. Honestly, she can tell us, sorry, I cannot go up. Sorry, I choose to rest in our house. She can tell us like this. And definitely, us from the management would understand. But the thing is, when she heard, when we invited her to go up stage and share with us, she willingly accepted it and said she had a very, very good story to tell us this evening. Why? Because, Lilia, if you want to clap, please do so. Really, it made me excited. Why? Because earlier we were talking about the topic that she wanted to share. She wanted to share something that she has experienced these past few months, that she has been learning. Still, up until now, she has been here in UAE for a very, very long time. She's telling me she's still learning a lot of things. She's still executing a lot of things together with her teammates. And at the same time, these are the things that they want to teach to each and every one. So now I believe we must listen very, very closely. Listen very, very closely to what she has to share. Because I believe if maybe not the whole sharing, only one sentence, maybe one word can make you see this opportunity already. So, are you guys excited for our first career testimony? Yeah. Me also. I'm very excited to listen to her. So, without further ado, please help me welcome up on stage our Tinili Pavo, Miss Mai Amogis. Let's give her a big round of applause.
MC, our Business Development Manager, Sir John, thank you so much. Dapat mas malakas pa doon. Round of applause, please. Para yung mga natutulog, magising sila. No? And so, good evening once again. By the way, I am Maya Mugis. Like what John said, I'm an electrical engineer by profession. Licensed electrical engineer. May I see the raise of hands of first-timers, please? Wow, ang dami natin first-timers. Palakpakan po natin silang lahat. And you know, whenever I share my story in front, no, I would really be inspired and I really want to be an inspiration, especially to our first-timers. So that based from my story, sabi nga ni John, I have a very bright future ahead of me. If I will have to continue being an engineer, it's okay. Tama po ba? And I can also earn a lot of money in engineering, right? No, but then, bakit ka, Miss Mai? Bakit ka nandito sa Railway? So way back 2018, no, this opportunity was presented to me when I first joined one of the events of Railway International abroad. And way back then, wala po akong plano, no? Wala akong plano to go out of employment. I really love what I'm doing, no, as an engineer. So as an engineer, before I resigned, I was already working for 13 years in a manufacturing plant, and I handle the facilities, operations, and maintenance of the entire electrical plant. Now, when I attended one of event in Hong Kong, I can still clearly remember, because going to Hong Kong that time, I was really praying na sana malate ako, sana hindi ako umabot, sana hindi ako makapunta ng Hong Kong, because I was half-hearted during that time. But ladies and gentlemen, I really do believe that if you're destined to be here, you will be here in this platform. Palakpakan po natin si Will. And so, to cut the long story short, after the event, nung bago ako pumunta, my heart really was into being an employee. Wala po akong planong mag-resign. But then you know what? When I attended that event, that was my turning point. And right there and then, I have realized that maybe in this platform, I could become so much more. Because during the time, working as an engineer for 13 years, I never had time freedom or financial stability. Even financial stability, wala po talaga. And if you will ask me kung gaano ako kasipag as an engineer, ladies and gentlemen, every single year I am promoted, no? Every single year, above and beyond the aking promotion. Because, no, when I do one thing, when I do something, I really give my best. And so, after the event in Hong Kong, nagulat po ako because I was really crying hard, because I was super thankful that God has led me to this opportunity. And right there and then, right after the event, alas 4 po kami ng madaling araw nakatulog. To the point na muntik na kami naiwan ng aming flight pabalik ng Philippines. Because I really wanted to know everything. And right there, no, when I returned home, when I returned to work, I decided to file a resignation. So in short, no, I burned all the bridge to employment. And in fact, after my resignation, hindi po ako nag-clearance. Because pag hindi ka nag-clearance, you won't have employment certificate. Tama ba? And if you don't have employment certificate, makakapagtrabaho ka. Hindi. Tama ba? So simply means, hindi ako makakapag-apply sa iba. So during that time, I only have one choice. And that is to become successful in this platform. Because that time, I was super hungry, really, to change my life. Because during that time, apart from working full-time, I was doing a cosmetic business on the side. And I have a salon and I have a bakery. Ganun po ako kasipag. I wake up at 3 a.m., I prepare to go to work. At 5 o'clock, I roam around the subdivision. I sell pandesal in the morning. But then sabi ko, bakit hindi pa rin ako mayaman? Ako na yata yung pinakamasipag na tao sa buong mundo. Right? And so, right there and then, I decided to give myself a chance. And tonight, ladies and gentlemen, my topic is really knowing what is it that you really want. Because after the time, no, that I've seen this opportunity in Hong Kong, I said to myself, this is it. Maybe if I will do this platform, I could change my life. And so what I did, I started going to the office. Siyempre, di ba, before you will be able to share, you have to know, no, you have to learn everything para hindi naman ka mapahiya. And like I said, nakakaya dito yung integridad natin. Tama po ba? Do you agree with me? And so, what I did at first is I allowed myself to be influenced by the environment of Freeway International. No, and by keep on coming back, keep on attending events, I keep on listening to the sharing, I keep on attending presentations of OPPs up until such time that I become more confident in sharing the product. No, so the process of doing this business is just very simple. So first is, of course, you have to learn. You have to learn so you would know what to share. Because you cannot share what you don't have. So dapat, for you to become more efficient in sharing this, is you need to fill in this. Kailangan maraming laman. So that when you go outside the market, you'll become more confident and you'll become more effective. So what did I do? I learned the business. I empty my cup. That is the most important thing. Because kung malaki ang ulo ko, and then gusto ko, no, ay dapat kayo makinig sa akin kasi engineer ako diba? Bakit ako makikinig sa high school graduate? Bakit ako makikinig sa mas walang alam kaysa sa akin? But then you know, the faster you empty your cup in this platform, the faster you will become successful, and the faster you will grow. Now that's the very first lesson and the basic thing you need to do, ladies and gentlemen. So empty your cup, learn it fast. And then after you've learned, you go out and face the market. But I tell you, it won't be easy. It won't be easy because your own family will reject you. Your own family, no, will not believe you. No, mas okay pa yung ibang tao, yung strangers, because they don't know you, they will not judge you. Mas paniniwalaan ka nila. That's why whenever you face challenges outside the market, you need to go back to your core. And that is to go back to the office. And that is the only secret, ladies and gentlemen. Kahit gano'n ka kagaling, you keep on fighting outside the market, but then you don't go back to your core, you, no, para ka kasing apoy Diba, whenever you are in a bonfire, just like, for example, you're a stick. Yung stick ba, so ginatawagan na, yung stick, basta yung stick in a bonfire. And then, when you are in a bonfire, diba, mas maraming apoy. Tama ba? Naka-apoy ka, you're positive, you're more, positive, and then inspired ka. But then once you're taken out of the bonfire and you're alone and you go fight outside the market, unti-unti humihina yung apoy. And so what you need to do is you go back to your core. Sindihan mo ulit ang sarili mo. Because, no, your upline won't do it for you. Tama ba? Ikaw dapat. You know, when I was starting, I was alone in Manila. Wala akong upline. Mostly of the people in Freeway, they are very, very spoiled. No, sa tanongin upline, pupunta pa kayo, ilan kayo, ibubuko kayo ng Grab. Love na love, di ba? And this is sabihin, wait lang, mag-iisip muna ako, parang gusto ko tumira sa bahay. You see, when I was doing this business, I was alone. But what's the difference between you and me, ladies and gentlemen? It is the hunger. Because during that time, I know that I really wanted to get out of employment. And I really wanted to become successful in this platform. So the hunger, your reason why you are doing this is what matters, no? These things will keep you going regardless of the challenges, regardless of the rejections outside. But don't you worry, because these rejections, these challenges, these that you need to undergo for you to become successful will make you a stronger and a better person. And so when you are outside and then you keep on attending, no, you immerse yourself in the environment. You have to see what these very leaders were seeing in this platform. Miss Mai, bakit sobrang passionate ka in doing this business? No? You need to let them see kung ano yung nakikita mo. No? And by doing that, you immerse in the environment of Freeway. Kailangan mo kung makita kung ano yung nakikita ng leader mo so that you could duplicate your leader. Kasi ang hirap kong maniwala pag hindi mo nakikita kung ano yung nakikita nila. Tama po ba? And then, if needed, you borrow strength from other people. And by attending this kinds of events, no, you can borrow strength from my testimony. No, if ever meron kayo nakausap na engineer, you know, meron kaming electrical engineer ni Don, ganito yung story niya, ganito yung story niya, ganito yung story niya. Because that is what we do. Kapag hindi ka pa successful, you just have to use other people's successful story. And that is, no, one of the culture of Freeway, and that is borrowing strength, ladies and gentlemen. Hindi po mali o hindi po bawal ang mangopya sa Freeway. No? Mas magaling ka mangopya, mas mabilis ka mag-grow dito. No? And that is one of the things I love, no, in this platform, because we are like a one big happy family that whenever you need help, let's say nasa office kayo, especially the new leaders, pag nasa office kayo, tapos meron kayong invite, no, meron kayong guest, tapos gusto nyo ipakausap dun sa leader na gusto nyo ipakausap, you can approach them anytime. No, walang barrier. Walang barrier na, kasi Team Elite Pegasus niya, hindi na natin yung pwedeng kausapin. Do you know that the higher you grow in this platform, the humble you should become? No, kaya very, very accommodating ang leaders natin. So next is you borrow strength. You learn, you do, you borrow strength, and then you teach. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to grow faster, you need to teach your people. Because some other leaders would be hesitant to teach their people. Baka kasi isipin nila na pag may alam na to, baka hindi na to makikinig sa akin. But that is not what Freeway platform is all about. Diba? The more you teach your people, the faster they will grow. So you should teach them everything you know. Wala pong hesitation na, naku, pag tinuruan ko to at manunong na to, hindi ko na ito mahawakan sa liit. Wala pong ganon. Right? No? And you know, ladies and gentlemen, sabi ko nga, when you teach, you also learn. And then when you go outside, face challenges, you should reflect. No? Nireject ako nung friend ko, bakit kaya hindi ko siya na-convince? You should do reflecting. And then after you reflect, siguro kasi masyado akong mayabang ko sa kanya yung income ko. No, mas malaki pa yung income niya sa inyabang ko. No, reflecting. And then from that reflection, you learn. And then from that learning, you improve. And that, you constantly do that from time to time. And believe me, ladies and gentlemen, in the process, and that is what we all wanted to become. You become a better person. You become a better version of yourself. Where can you find a platform where as you grow, as you become successful day by day, you become a better person? And that is what I really like about this platform. And ladies and gentlemen, when you slowly getting the goal that you have set, don't forget to anchor yourself on the ground. Hindi po lumalaki ang ulo. Tama ba? Because the higher you go, the more humble you should become. And ladies and gentlemen, what I like most about this opportunity, I'm days ago, no, that at the age of 41, I am pregnant. I'm pregnant. Diba? I'm already 41. And if maybe, if I'm not in the platform of Freeway, baka kabahan ako. No, kasi pagdating mo ng 60, 18 years old pa lang yung anak ko. Tama ba? No, and so, but then I'm really thankful because of this opportunity, because of this platform, ladies and gentlemen. Sabi ko nga, I have 2 kids, pangatlo po ito. My second child, he is diagnosed with autism. And one of the reasons why I am doing this platform, this advocacy, is for him. Para po sa kanya. Because do you all know that this business in Freeway is naipapamana, inheritable. It simply means, no, lahat ng pinaghirapan mo, lahat ng pinagtrabahuan mo, from the day you started doing this business, up until when it's your time to go, lahat po yun naiiwan mo sa family mo. And sabi ko, if I have this super amazing, no, one of a kind opportunity, tatamad-tamad pa ba ako? That, no, when I'm just 41, maybe I can do Freeway up to 120. Just kidding. So, when it's my time to go, let's say I'll be doing Freeway for the next 30 years. Ano na kaya ako by that time? Because you know, when I was starting, I had this vision. Sabi ko, if I will start to do Freeway right now, what will I become after 5 years? And you know, no, I'm almost 8 years in this business. And you know, ladies and gentlemen, sobrang layo na narating ko. And you know, okay? And you know, if I'll be given another 30 years, 40 years, 50 years more, do you think yung iiwanan ko sa pamilya ko, magugutom pa sila? And ladies and gentlemen, that is the kind of legacy, no, you will be, no, giving to your next generations. So I challenge each and every one, especially our first-timers. No, there is a reason why you are in this room tonight. It's not by accident. So, you just have to find that reason. You just have to know what is it that you really want. And if you are like me, more than 7 years ago, ladies and gentlemen, I challenge each and every one of you to please give yourself a chance. And with that, thank you so much. No?
Let's give our Emily Paco a big warm round of applause for sharing her story.